Good morning students. Now we are doing the next topic, applications of electrolysis. So here we will discuss about electroplating and electrorefining. What is electroplating? Electroplating means the process of depositing a thin layer of metal on any conducting substance by the process of electrolysis is known as electroplating. And here you can see that we will take two electrode. We are taking one spoon and one copper plate. So okay, and the copper and the iron object we are taking as the cathode, and on the copper plate we are considering as the anode. And when the current will start flowing through it, then the copper will deposit on the iron object. So this is what we are doing. We are doing the electroplating. What is electroplating? When we are depositing a thin layer of metal on any conducting substance by the process of electrolysis. So here in the next, so this was regarding electroplating. Okay, we can deposit the desired metal on the iron object. So this was the electroplating. Now what is electrorefining? Electrorefining is known as, it is the method, it is used to purify or refine metals such as gold, silver, copper and tin. And the extraction of metals such as aluminium and sodium makes use of chemical effects of current. And electrorefining, here this method is used to improve this method is used to refine the metals. Okay, we can make the metals pure by the process of electrorefining. So now we will study them one by one. First of all, we are starting electroplating. So here in the next animation you can see about electroplating. Electroplating, it is a process of depositing metal on the desired article. So here you can see that we have taken the iron object as the cathode. You can see that we have attached this with the small terminal, that is the smaller terminal, as they act like as the cathode. And on the copper plate we have attached this electrode with the longer terminal, that is the anode. So here what we are doing, cathode is the cathode. What is cathode here? Iron object. The article that is to be coated. So okay, what is cathode here? Cathode is the article to be coated. So in the figure you can see we have taken the iron object, and iron object here act like as a cathode. So now after this now you can see we have taken iron object. What we have taken? We have taken the iron spoon here. So that is considering as the cathode. So now after this we are talking about anode. So what is anode? Metal to be deposited. So which metal to be deposited? So here you can see the anode. Anode has the positive charge, that we have taken the copper plate. So anode has the positive charge. So it is attached with the longer terminal, that is the positive one. So positive, so anode metal to be deposited. Okay, so which metal? We will deposit the copper metal on the iron object. So what is electrolyte? So what we are doing? We are depositing copper plate on the iron article, and you know that we have taken which electrolyte here? We have taken copper sulfate. We can take copper nitrate also. Why? Because the metal to be deposited, that should be present in the solution. Okay, you can see here in the figure. So now again I am telling you, cathode is the article to be coated, and what we are taking? We have taken the iron object. So now what happened? On passing current, the electrolyte dissociate into ions. So here you can see the copper sulfate is the electrolyte we have taken. So when you will pass the current, so copper sulfate will dissociate into the ions. Copper ions, you can see that the copper ion and sulfate ions. Okay, so copper ions will deposit on the iron object, and the sulfate ion will go on the copper plate. So these ions migrate to respective poles, and chemical reaction occurs. As a result, metal get coated on the iron spoon. So what will happen? So copper from the solution will deposit on the iron object, that is the spoon. So what will happen? So there will be coating of copper on the iron object. How? On passing the current. Then the electrolyte dissociate into ions and the copper plate will start depositing on the iron object. So this was regarding electroplating. And what are the uses of electroplating? So here you can see that it is used in coating metal with different metals so as to improve its properties. So you can see that here we have, in the figure you can see that we have taken tin container, and here we have taken bracelet where the copper plating is there. Okay, so you can do any plating on the iron article. Suppose you are plating copper on the iron article. Okay, so this was regarding electroplating. Thank you.